Unlocking the meaning behind the wheels of memory. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, the wheels of memory. This expression might sound complex at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origins, and how to use it in your own conversations. Let's get those cognitive gears turning and delve into the depths of memory together. At its core, the wheels of memory is a metaphorical expression. When we think of wheels, we often picture something that moves, rotates, or progresses. Memory, on the other hand, is our mind's ability to store and remember information. So, combining these two concepts, the wheels of memory suggests the process of recalling or retrieving past experiences or knowledge. It evokes the image of memory as a dynamic, moving mechanism, continuously at work, helping us navigate through our past experiences and knowledge. Although it's challenging to pinpoint the exact origin of the wheels of memory, it's clear that the phrase draws on the long-standing tradition of using mechanical metaphors to describe mental processes. Historically, philosophers and scientists have likened the mind to intricate machines, with cogs and wheels working in unison to produce thought, memory, and understanding. This metaphor helps visualize the otherwise abstract process of memory retrieval, making it more relatable and understandable. You might use the wheels of memory in various contexts, especially when discussing the act of remembering or the process of thought. For example, in a moment of nostalgia, as we walked through my old neighborhood, the wheels of memory began to turn, and I remembered all the adventures we had as kids. When learning or studying, diving into these books really gets the wheels of memory going, reminding me of everything I've learned on this topic. In storytelling, let me set the wheels of memory in motion and tell you a story from my youth. This expression adds a poetic touch to the discussion of memory, suggesting not just the act of remembering but the active, almost tangible process behind it. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the wheels of memory. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and complexity of this phrase, enriching your understanding of the English language. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication, it's a way to paint pictures in the minds of others, to connect and share our human experiences. Until next time, keep those wheels turning and never stop exploring the depths of language and memory. Farewell, and happy learning!